Hello and welcome to the DP World Dressing Room. मैं हूं फखर आलम, आप देख रहे हैं 10 Sports, our continued coverage of the ICC Champions Trophy 2025. And we are almost at the end of the trophy. Yesterday was semi-final number 1 and India making sure that they're heading straight into the finals. Today is semi-final number 2. Let's take a look at what we have in store for you. That's coming up on your screen. Here it is. We are taking you to Lahore Gaddafi Stadium, where South Africa is going to clash with New Zealand. That's the big game today. It's going to be really exciting. Two very evenly poised teams, head to head. All right, folks, first up, let me bring into the conversation my very esteemed special panelist friends in this journey of the DP World Dressing Room. Sabse pehle, off-spin bowler, middle order batsman, outstanding broadcaster, and the fashion guru of the DP World Dressing Room, Nikhil Chopra. Nikhil, welcome.
Thank you.
Good to have you here, my friend. Looking sharp, like the pocket square, like always. Good stuff. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, the legend himself, the toe-crushing, golf-swinging, batsman terrorizing, the Nolaka of the DP World Dressing Room, our very dear Waqar Younis. Waqar, welcome.
Aajo.
I like it, I like it. Wave again. Wave again. Cut back to Waqar. Wave again. Waqar, wave again.
Waqar, wave.
Wave again.
Okay.
All right, I like it. Thank you, man. All right, okay. Awesome. Next up, folks, we've got cricket royalty himself, one of the finest all-rounders at his graced cricket grounds all around the world, represented Pakistan proudly, captained Pakistan, gave us a lot of glorious memories. The Sultan of Swing and the swinging Sultan, Wasim Akram. Good afternoon, Waz, and welcome.
Good afternoon, ji. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Looking like a nice, clean-cut schoolboy today, Vaz. I like it. Next up, we've got royalty himself, the Yuvraj himself. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Jamnagar ke Yuvraj हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं. His Highness, to be very soon, represented India, made a lot of great innings for India, gave them a lot of great memories, and to some to us as well. Please welcome Aji Jadeja. Jaddu Paji, hello and welcome. Good to have you here again.
सत श्री अकाल. इतनी दूर चले गए हो, ऐसा लग रहा है कि पता नहीं कहाँ से आप आ रहे हैं. लाहौर तो नहीं पहुँच गए?
दूर जितना भी हूँ, रहूंगा आपके दिल में हमेशा. ये याद रहिएगा. करीब
इतनी तो जगह ही नहीं आप फिट आ सके.
Well done. All right, folks, without further ado, please let me introduce our next This is our next guest. In the dressing room corner, towering, iconic all-rounder, represented India, captained India, also coached the national side and brought them a lot of glory. We have a special guest for you. Please welcome Ravi Shastri. Yes, Ravi.
Thank you all.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Pleasure.
What a pleasure to have you here. And I sit between the two giants here, Shaz and Vaz, as they keep saying. Welcome to the DP World Dressing Room. Thank you very much. Congratulations. India is through to the finals. The momentum is undeniable, and it's looking like this is going to go all the way to the end for India.
It looks like they're by far the best team in the tournament as of now. But then comes the final. It's a pressure game. Anything can happen. But just saying man-to-man, looking at the other sides in the tournament, looking at the conditions that exist, the fact that India is playing at the same venue game after game, knowing the conditions, you would put them as favorites no matter who comes.
Yep, no matter who comes. But who will come? That's the question. It is semi-final number 2, New Zealand versus South Africa. Wasim, what do you think?
Big game, knockout game. अगर आप record देखा जाए, New Zealand, South Africa का, they have qualified 10 times in the semi-finals. They only won once, lost 8 times, and of course one tie, 99 का जो famous tie हुआ था in Edgbaston. और so pressure तो होगा, but अगर on paper देखी जाए, तो मुझे साउथ अफ्रीका की टीम थोड़ी बेहतर लग रही है. ओके, न्यूजीलैंड टीम इज आल्सो एज गुड. दे बीन इन पाकिस्तान बिफोर दिस चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी, सो उनको कुछ पिचेस का आइडिया है. सो है साउथ अफ्रीका. सो आई थिंक इवन स्टीवंस है, वही साइकोलॉजिकली स्ट्रॉन्ग जो टीम है. वहाँ जहाँ जाके शायजी प्रॉब्लम ये आ सकता है कि जो साउथ अफ्रीका के जो बैक ऑफ द माइंड है ना, नॉकआउट गेम्स में अंडर प्रेशर आ जाते हैं.
Absolutely. And that is their biggest problem. Because if you look at South Africa's entry into world cricket, 1992.
Yeah.
When you look at the quality of players, अगर देखा जाए from 1992 to 32 years down the line, more than 32 years down the line,
Right.
you would say they would have won 2-3 World Cups by now.
True.
Across different formats of the game. But they haven't won one. So there comes the point Waz was making. It's the big game, the crunch game, the pressure game. Can they get better? in handling that pressure. You saw that even in that T20 final against India. I mean, the game was there. It's 30 balls, 30 runs,
Yeah.
6 wickets in hand. You lose it from there. You know, and it's a stigma that stays on your mind.
Yeah.
So when you're back in that position, you suddenly get doubts in your mind because you're not used to winning.
But शायद
So,
generation
we'll be
से
hoping.
generation में आई जा रहा है. You know the
It's in the genes, no?
It's just
Probably
going down
right, yeah.
over and over. Jadupaji, this is going to be interesting because they're now playing in Lahore. And who gets the advantage in Lahore? Because, yes, South Africa in Karachi on that pitch against Afghanistan was a different beast altogether. Here it's going to be completely different.
Yeah, I think generally they've been flatter tracks in Lahore, lots of runs scored. So you'd look at which side has a better bowling. And I know South Africa in that sense, looks like a better side. I think everybody feels that. But it's that semi-final or a crunch game that you're talking about. That's the only reason why I would probably think New Zealand has a better chance. And I won't want as an Indian New Zealand to come here
So toss
because
it,
they are a
Jatin?
better side on conditions like this.
toss से फर्क पड़ेगा? Question to everyone because there's a due factor in Lahore.
Yeah. Yeah. Bakar?
No, I don't think toss will make much difference. The knockout stage. The knockout stage में you play good cricket, you win games. दोनों की bowling अच्छी है. I think अगर दोनों की तुलना किए जाए तो I think bowling उनकी भी बुरी नहीं है. Pace attack दोनों का अच्छा है. I mean, if you look at Rabada, then you Rocky there. So they have, what it takes, with the new ball. और फिर spin पे आ जाओ तो Santner, Bracewell. Santner is the key, I think. He holds a real key in the middle. If he gets going with the ball, the kind of loop he gives, I have a feeling that New Zealand have a fair chance.
Yeah. Yeah.
क्योंकि गर्मी बढ़ती जा रही है. ड्यू किस समय आती है, कितने ओवर इफेक्ट करता है, उस पर बहुत कुछ फर्क होगा. लेकिन जो अजय भैया ने कहा, लाहौर की जो विकेट है, अगर कड़ाकेदार विकेट है तो कौन सी टीम में ज्यादा खतरनाक बैट्समैन है, मैच विनर्स. क्लासन का दिन हो या साउथ अफ्रीका माकरम का दिन हो, मिलर का दिन हो, तो वो एक्स्ट्रा 15-20 रन ना, आज मुझे लगता है वो फर्क
कड़ाके की पिच तो होगी. Average score in Lahore is 316. So yeah, it's always has been a very good wicket, very good deck. So yeah. But ड्यू का फर्क शायद पड़ सकता है because as a bowler, जब remember Australia chased 350 against England, that was also in Lahore. And they lost 4 wickets. And then obviously the due factor came in and then they just took the game away from South Africa.
I think both sides might want to field first. The simple reason is you look at the combination, look at the depth in batting of both sides. They bat till 9-10.
Yeah.
So when you think you have batsmen till 9-10, you always want that chase. You're not sure of what the pitch might present early. You want to know what's the right score on the board for you to chase it down. So, I would say in Lahore, if the average score is 316, means the batting conditions will stay good right through. Field first. But then from a motorway, when you come to Dubai, it's a highway where the speed limit drops from 90 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour. Then you have to think twice, batting first or fielding first.
There you have the match preview. Another big news coming out today, Ravi, is that Smith has retired from ODI cricket. Any surprise there?
No real surprises. He's not getting younger by the day. This must have been his swan song. He might have wanted to win this game and then retire. And he was in a great position, till he got out yesterday, because that made a difference of at least 30 runs to the score. Not that Australia would have won it. India might have still chased it down. But things could have been tighter. But a magnificent player over the years. And, just his hunger, his desire, the way he's, evolved with times. He's got a technique that's not natural. It's a technique of his own. He moves so much around the crease. He's a coach's nightmare when he started playing the game. But you look at the scores, look at the numbers, he's second to none.
There's no question about it. Talking about second to none, Kohli, man, he's not getting any younger, but he keeps getting those runs.
He's not getting younger, but when you see him moving in the field, he sure is young. And he's making the young looking old.
Even yesterday, Shaz, he fielded for 50 overs. Then he came out to bat, got 80 plus on such a difficult wicket. And I think half of the runs, or even more than half, were singles and doubles.
He's at his best. It reminds me a lot of some of the great one-day players of the past. Someone like Javed. If you look at Javed's innings, it would be match-winning innings. Few boundaries, but the running between the wickets. Ones, twos, the energy, busy, takes the pressure off the non-striker. Doesn't allow the scoreboard to be stagnant. It's moving all the time.
Right.
And that's Kohli for you. When he's at his best, it's few boundaries, very few sixes.
Yeah.
Fantastic running between the wickets. Then you know he's in control. He's got a game plan in place, and there's an all-round game that you'll see.
And Shezi, how important is this to learn from this great man Virat Kohli as far as fitness concerned? Batting I can understand, but how old is he now? 35?
Yeah.
35-ish? But his fitness is prime.
You know, they say fitness, they say hard work. You know,
Yeah.
as a coach, when I was in the dressing room, the one thing I noticed with
Yeah.
him was his want to sacrifice.
Yeah.
You know, you need to sacrifice a lot
Yeah.
to get that level of fitness, whether it's in your diet, whether it's in your, your lifestyle, whether it's the hours you sleep, what time you eat,
Yeah.
you know, the quantity you eat, apart from the training that you go through. So, you know, there's a sense of discipline that's ingrained in his mindset, and it doesn't come easy. You know, when you look around and look at other people around you, all the perks that exist,
Yeah.
you know, you want to be part of it.
Yeah.
But then to say no,
Yeah.
say this is my career, it's going to stay for another 2-3 years, and I'm going to give it 200% of
और
whatever
रनिंग
I have.
कितनी करता है शायजी ये? रनिंग किस तरह की करता है? बिकॉज आजकल
I think it's more bursts.
burst, yeah.
Yeah, it'll do the odd endurance stuff, but it's more sprinting and burst because that's what's needed
Yeah.
in the game. Like you mentioned, running between the wickets, it's a 10-second or a 30-second break. Again, two.
Yeah.
Same thing when you're fielding in the outfield, and he's from one corner to the other.
Other corner.
You know, like
Hotspots.
Jyoti Rhodes used to do.
Yeah.
One is from deep mid wicket to deep point or at point.
Yeah.
So he covers a lot of. You know, they have all those things at the back
Yeah.
to check how much workload you have done.
Yeah.
I'm sure he must be topping the list at the end of the day.
Yeah, just
Remember, you were there when he's the one who started that yo-yo test. He says, I'll
Yes.
lead by example, and
Yes.
even I will go out there and give
No,
a
it was
yo-yo test.
and it was an effort for us to convince the team.
अच्छा.
Yeah,
Some of the
because
other
not
guys.
many were sure whether they'll pass the test.
Okay.
You know, and they might have been great players. So you can, in a team, have some exceptions. You know, where there are genuine match winners
ठीक है.
who are naturally talented. You know, that is the job of the coach or the captain
To pick.
to pick those guys,
Yeah.
irrespective. But the general message to the team is get fit or on your bike.
और ये सबके लिए था.
Sabke.
except for the match.
Yeah.
Bar none.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Bar
Really?
none. Everyone.
Yeah.
And I remember one of the meetings where MS Dhoni himself said, let's all do it now. And he
Acha.
was not the captain, Virat was the captain. It was in Sri Lanka. If I'm not mistaken, it was in Dambula. And MS said, let's all go with this now. And it wasn't a big yo-yo. It was like a 15.2 or something.
Yeah.
Whereas teams from New Zealand were at 19.
Oh.
Australia was at 18.
Wow.
We were just putting 15.2. Even that to put across wasn't easy.
अच्छा.
But then now,
तो किया
everyone wants
कैसे
to
फिर
do
ये
it.
सबको कन्विंस
Sorry?
आपने? कन्विंस कैसे किया सब
Convince,
लड़कों को?
yeah, the team will benefit. It's not about
अच्छा.
you.
Okay.
You can park yourself where you want at your home if you don't want to be part of the team. But if you want to be part of the team and you want to be one of the best fielding sides in the world, jolly well do it.
Okay.
Otherwise, we'll find somebody else.
So it was 15.2 then. What is it now for Team India? Right
I think a
now?
little more.
A little
think
more?
Would have gone
16, 16.2.
It might have been 16.2. Sorry.
Okay,
Not
16.2.
15, it might have been 16.2. While as it might have gone to 17.
And where is New Zealand right now?
Oh, they're 20.
They're
They're
20 now.
20?
They might be having the average at 19.2, but I think every player there is 20.
Yeah.
Wow.
They're the
अच्छा,
ones
ये-
who
ये-
said
That Glenn Phillips must be 23.
he's a
Yeah,
different beast.
totally.
But my question is now, sorry, I'm asking this question because कोई भी youngster अगर सुन रहा है, उसके लिए कितना important है ये चीजें करना, चाहे वो पाकिस्तान से खेलना चाहता है, चाहे वो अपने इंडिया से खेलना चाहता है. और यो-यो टेस्ट is कितने अरसे बाद होते हैं? After how long?
They
Generally,
do it every 6 months.
every 6 months.
Yeah. You know,
Okay.
and you get to know if a guy is in the zone or not in the zone.
Okay.
No, I'll tell you where it helps
Yeah.
more than anything else. It helps you raise the bar.
Ah.
You know, you might be a supremely talented player, but where it helps you is when the heat is on, when there's extreme pressure, especially for guys from the subcontinent.
Yeah.
Jiska fitness levels everyone knows.
Yeah.
You know, is when the going gets tough now, you're extremely calm.
Yeah.
You know, you don't get that green man in your mind, maro abhi.
Yeah.
You know, you say, I'll take a single. You're calm, you're assured, you're fit, and then it helps the team all round. Sudden flashes of brilliance, brilliant run out.
Yeah.
What changes the course of the game. And it helps. See, it's at the end of the day, it's a team game.
Yeah.
In our countries, we were too worried about individual brilliance. Individual brilliance उधर तक ही लेके जा सकते हैं यार.
Yeah.
अगर championship जीतना है, then you need team effort. You need more players to compete. Individual brilliance will win you an odd game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But collective effort will win you championships.
All right, with that, we are going to take a break into the DP World dressing room. There's more great stuff on the other side. Stay with us. Welcome back to the DP World Dressing Room. I'm Fakhri Alam. You're watching 10 Sports. Our continued coverage of the ICC Champions Trophy semi-final number 2, New Zealand versus South Africa. We've got a special guest here with us, the icon himself, Mr. Ravi Shastri, talking about the fitness of the teams before this and a lot of interesting things. Ravi, what was the first memory आपके पास क्या है जब आपने वसीम को वकार को देखा था? What is your first memory and your first impression?
मैंने कहा मैं सोचा शायद पूछने लगा कोई फिटनेस का प्लान मेरे लिए भी
My first memory was because I started in 81.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, and my first series in Pakistan was at the age of 19.
Wow.
83?
82.
82, 83, yeah.
And my first 100 was against Pakistan.
Right.
So
In Pakistan?
In Pakistan at Karachi. And my education into Punjabi was in Pakistan. You know that big Sarfraz Nawaz to are baap re. I learned so much. The right words in Punjabi from him.
I know which one you're talking about.
Puche mat. Then you played next year. You went to the West Indies.
Yeah.
फिर मिल गए सब 6 foot 5, 6 foot 4, you know, the best attack in the world. And then almost every team had. So, you know, you had झेला out a lot of pace. और वो टाइम पे कोई bouncers पे restriction नहीं था. 6 का 6
bouncer.
till 85, 86. फिर आ गया 87, फिर गया वेस्ट इंडीज, फिर आ गए उधर पाकिस्तान में. फिर ये दो आ गए. बोला भाई यार 8 साल के बाद फिर झेलना है. ऐसे वो पहले वाले तो एटलीस्ट टकले पे मारते थे, नारियल पे.
नारियल पे.
ये आ गए जूते तोड़ने और ये भी साथ में. तो मतलब यू नो द रेंज वाज इधर आ रहा है कि इधर आ रहा है. एंड बट ग्रेट era. I mean, I'm so glad that I played all these great fast bowlers because you know then that gives you more job satisfaction.
Yeah.
Then in an era where you know you missed out, didn't play, and you know sometimes you say I wish I'd played that bowler.
Yeah.
Shazzy, do you remember Bangalore Test 1987? There was a rest day.
Yeah, I know you guys threw me into the bloody pool.
Shazzy was being a cool, तो छोटे थे. Shazzy was a big superstar. You know, वो 85 में champion of the champions, वो ऑडी गाड़ी भी मिली. तो वो रेस्ट डे होते थे तब. अब मुझे नहीं था पता. होली तो हमने फिल्मों में देखी हुई थी. तो वो होली का दिन था तो सारे एक दूसरे पे रंग फेंक रहे. बाद में मुझे पता लगा कि एक कच्चा रंग होता है, एक पक्का रंग होता है. वो सर से 2 महीने रंग ही नहीं गया जब नहाओ पूरा ले आए. और शायद
वो पूल का टाइल्स वो पूरा चेंज करना पड़ा.
बाद में शायद वहाँ रिलैक्स हो गया ना. मैगजीन पढ़ा था. अब सारे इंडियन पाकिस्तानी मनिंदर भी था. सब यंग लड़के एक्साइटेड, इजाज एंड ऑल दीज गाइज. इसको उठा के पूल में डाल दिया और इमरान भाई कमरे से निकल रहे. और सनी भाई ने जाके किसी को कहा होटल की लड़कियों के दरवाजा नॉक करो, रूम सर्विस है. वो दरवाजा खोला तो उसको खींच के बाहर लाके उस पर रंग फेंका था. ये those were the days.
I still remember वो गुलाल जो कलर है वो ये ऑयल पेंट जैसा था. तो इमरान पे ऐसा लगा यार don't put this color on. I said you know this is serious makeup.
Yes, great memories, right? The great memories that you gave to all the viewers around the world of playing that time. But coming back to Sarfraz Nawaz and Punjabi that was, you know, bestowed upon you, what were your favorite words?
You can't say it on television.
No, I can't. But you know those are the nouns and pronouns of the Punjabi language.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
वो sentence शुरू होता है उससे.
Did you
ऐसे लाहौर जाओ या किसको या किसके साथ you know,
the sentence start from
something happens, you know, you have a pow-pow with someone's sentence, starts with, and that was the first word you learned.
You would learn, absolutely.
81 में सीख लिया.
Did you ever have a showdown with him in the middle of a game? A staring contest with Wasim?
You don't have to look them in the eye only. Cute Tankan, as it is, there's enough headache.
Okay.
You know, I'll tell you, with these guys, when the ball is swinging so much, You know, you have to be very careful because people think it's only your toes and your heads. Go to watch your nuts also. You know, if you're playing here, if it swings late and you miss it, ouch! And then everyone goes down. You're gasping for breath. Oh, it's good. And
I
it's
have
not
a question.
funny because everyone else is laughing.
Yeah, that's what I want to
Everyone
ask
on television is laughing. Commentators are laughing. Well,
Yes.
you're the only guy.
सांस आना बंद हो जाती है।
I mean, I'm very curious.
उधर यो काम आता है
I remember Wasim bhai, you hit Roshan Mahanama
Twice.
at birth.
उसके बहुत लगती थी
2 बॉलें
नहीं उसके बहुत लगती थी भाई
पहले लगी है और वो लेट आ रहा को 10 मिनट गेम बंद रही है उसके पैर ऐसे वो दबा रहे हैं कभी कुछ कर रहे हैं देयर इज नो अदर हेल्प यू कैन गेट
ये तो कोयबा हो गया भाई।
कर करा के वो बेचारा खड़ा हुआ है वेरी नेक्स्ट बॉल ये नहीं कि कोई 2-4 गेंदें वेट ही कर लेता वेरी नेक्स्ट बॉल अभी ऐसे ही गैप चाह रहा टक that to carry him actually
No, but he came back and won the game. He was such a gutsy player, Roshan Mahanama.
भाई तरस नहीं आता ऐसी मार मार के
नहीं, as a bowler कभी तरस नहीं आया. As a bowler हमारी job थी कि बैट्समैन को बैकवर्ड पर देना.
him in that 89 tour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ये तो आया था डेब्यू सीरीज फुल टूर he would limp suddenly. हाँ तो पूरा ड्रेसिंग रूम अब गया अब गया ये इंजर हो गया इसका गया ग्रोइन गया पूरा सीरीज खेल लिया एंड तक बाउंसर
Was he doing that deliberately?
No, सिद्धू ने बस बताया मुझे कि हम ड्रेसिंग रूम से देख रहे होते थे कि तू लंगड़ा रहा है गया जी अब गया
But what was going on?
स्टिफ ग्रॉइन हो जाता था तो उसके लिए फिर शाम को रेस्ट करते थे सुबह तक आ जाते थे 2
ये वही वाला जो बस नहीं उतरते
जो engine करके होता है.
Yeah.
So Waqar has his own yo-yo test for everybody. So when the teams arrive, we have these arrival shots that come in and they're coming out of the bus, right? He says you can actually tell जो बस से उतर रहा होता है उसकी चाल से पता चल जाता है कि उसकी फिटनेस की क्या
वो
हालत है.
3-4 जो सीढ़ियां जब उतरते हैं ना तो रात का मंजर बता देते हैं
All right, folks. We do have a semi-final, by the way. I wish this conversation could go on like this because there's so many memories that the people would like to hear from all of you. Jatu Baji, you want to say?
we had an entire tournament don't worry
We did. But let's get back to it now. Talking about the New Zealand, South African batting lineup, हम लोग उसकी batting के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Van der Dusen has been absolutely special for South Africa now for quite some time. How does, when you have somebody like Markram also getting fit in time, and then you have Van der Dusen there and all everything, and you have Klaasen there, and you have Killer the Miller there, तो दूसरे क्या करें फिर?
No, it's a very dangerous side. You know, it's a very dangerous side. Lekin if they can play freely, not thinking it's a knockout game, it's easier said than done.
Yeah.
But if they can go with an attitude as if this was another league game, league phase, then they become a very dangerous team. But the moment they realize it's a semi-final and they want to play differently, that gives the opposition the best chance. So, you know, the way you would plan it, you would tell at least 2 out of those 4 players, come what may, you go.
Yeah.
You know, so whether it's Miller and Klaasen, you know, whether it's Markram or Klaasen, you go in there, 4-5 balls, you get on with it. Even if you're out, the other 2 will take care.
Right.
You know, but you have to let 2 guys go.
Yeah.
And not all 4.
shell में ना
freeze
चले
up.
जाएं.
Shell में नहीं चले जाएं. बाकी 4.
Jadu, who do you think, I mean, just Ravi ने कहा, but does this South African batting revolve around Klaasen at this particular time?
I don't think it revolves around him. He's probably the energy source to that innings, who drives it at another pace. Somebody who holds the inning, what we've seen in this is Reckleton was one when in the first inning. Van der Dusen when he came into the next game. I think those 2 guys probably play that role where you play around him. Because, Klaasen is a class act. He's not one who's going to, hold the innings together.
Yeah, but look at that
strike rate. That
rate.
tells you all. I mean, when he gets runs, that's the strike rate that he gets runs with. And he makes the game so easy. I mean, and especially on the track that we are playing, he will be an important man. You need both, I think. Like Ravi said, you have a couple of guys who go for it.
Yeah.
But you need somebody because it's a 50-over game. Don't forget, it's not a 20-over game. So you will need those guys at the top to, hold that innings together in a, not at a different pace. But so Klaasen is the one who probably gives you the impetus, but not the one who holds that innings together.
I think और ये pitch ऐसी है कि ये जो रवि भाई कह रहे हैं ना कि ये दोनों जो है ना they can play freely. It's going to be a flat deck. So just go out there and play naturally. Doesn't matter मैच की सिचुएशन को ना देखें. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इवन जब ये लोग नेदरलैंड से भी हारे वर्ल्ड कप में इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया they just start thinking, oh, हार गए थे की होएगा, and then they start losing their plot. They don't know how to play then. That is their issue. Even in the World Cup, just recently, 30 में 30 चाहिए था, आपके हाथ में wickets हैं, and then suddenly आपको समझ नहीं आ रही है खेलना कैसे है. जब इनको probably होता है ना कि ओ हम ये मैच अब जीत सकते हैं, that's when the hands start sort of shivering.
Yeah, it's like the nervous 90s for a batsman, perhaps. They get into that. Nikhil, how important will be, if it's a flat deck and all that, do spinners play a major role in today?
Absolutely. और खास तौर से जो भी टीम पहले bowling कर रहा हो, Santner, if he's bowling with a dry ball, makes all the difference. Keshav Maharaj, Santner uses the width of the crease, और जिस तरीके से हर स्पिनर या हर बॉलर के लिए मैं मानता हूँ और होता भी है कि उसकी रोजी रोटी उसका टप्पा है. टप्पा नहीं छोड़ सकते. और चाहे क्लासन आपके पीछे भाग रहा हो, कोई भी भाग रहा हो, अगला गेंद उसी माइंडसेट से आना है कि यार मैंने आउट करना. आप बचने नहीं जा सकते. आप बचने चले गए तो एज अ टीम एफर्ट सेट बैट्समैन आखिरी 10 में ये ऐसी विकेट है 100 से ऊपर का स्कोर लगेगा. यू हैव टू बी ओनली थिंकिंग अबाउट विकेट्स, एंड ऑफ कोर्स जितना पाटा विकेट है उतना पेस वेरिएशन स्पिनर के लिए बहुत जरूरी हो जाएगा.
Ravi, out of the modern left-handed spinners that you see, which is the one guy that really impresses you?
I think Santner.
Yeah.
Because Santner in 1 over will move from 93, 94 to 76, 75. That's a skill. Adil Rashid has that skill.
You mean pace-wise?
Pace-wise. Which is a skill because Santner is a tall man.
Right.
Yeah.
So usko to give flight is not easy. But different points of release changes the speed of the delivery.
Right.
And that is an art. And like Nikhil said, wo tappa nahi chhodta.
Yeah.
His tappa is very good. He attacks the stumps, uses the crease well, and then these subtle variations in pace.
And
You'll see a lot of times when the batsman's playing forward to him, वो ऐसे चले जाते हैं.
लंबा बिल्कुल ऐसे ही.
वो शुरू होता है यहाँ पे फिर यहाँ पे पहुंच जाता है. Means that is a skill of getting the ball to drop.
Yeah.
And lessen the
And
pace.
how difficult, you being a top left-arm spinner yourself, how difficult it is for a right-hand batter to when लंबा बॉलर ऐसे सेंटर में जाता है वाइड ऑफ द क्रीज, वो एंगल से तो बॉल अंदर आता है एंड देन इट टर्न्स. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट. यू आल्सो यूज्ड टू गो वाइड.
It's and now the difference between the 80s, 90s and now is you get leg befores on the front foot.
Big.
You get leg befores. Earlier the batsman could just play. Up pad पे लग गया. And then you get Jadeja, Akshar Patel. You see.
Akshar is nice.
They all come from here.
Yeah.
And then there's the natural variation. If the pitch is turning or holding up like in Dubai, the odd ball will turn. और एक ball turn होना चाहिए.
बस.
And that is the full dressing room is watching.
Yeah.
एक ball turn हो गया, then you are watching. Should I play for the turn? Should I play straight? Then you are in two minds. That's when the spinners have the advantage.
Okay.
All right, there you have it. Ravi, let me ask you, what was the feeling when Surya Kumar Yadav took that sensational catch?
Were you on air?
Yes.
You were on air, right? At that final against India.
I was on air and the ball was coming straight towards the commentary box.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So as it dipped, Ian Smith was calling it and he said, is it over? Is it 6? Is it? So we looked down like this, right under our eyes. Wow. And then he did the juggling act. You could see it. You didn't need the camera.
Yeah.
You could see if there's any flicker of the rope or anything.
Yeah.
And he did it just to perfection. It was under pressure.
Yeah.
It was the World Cup.
It was the World Cup.
That was the World Cup. It was 6 or out.
Yeah.
It was out. And sheer brilliance. And you saw it like this, 20 yards.
And what was your feeling at the moment?
I said, this is how a game can change. How big games where a team thinks they've got one hand on the cup, and suddenly everything slips away. It is like who dropped Steve Waugh's catch in that game against South Africa? Herschel Gibbs dropped it.
Yeah.
It was the World Cup. Australia were out of the tournament.
Basically, ज़्यादातर ये South Africa ये करता है कारनामा, है ना? They have the one hand on the trophy and then they just let everything go.
Yeah.
Well, with that, we're going to take another break here on the DP World Dressing Room. When we come back, we are getting closer to semi-final number 2. Stay with us. Welcome back to the DP World Dressing Room. You're watching 10 Sports, our continued coverage of the ICC Champions Trophy. We've got Mr. Ravi Shastri with us. And it's time to talk about semi-final number 2, the other team, New Zealand. Let's take a look at how their journey has been in this ICC Champions Trophy coming up on your screen. Nikhil.
well, जो पहला मुकाबला था वो पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ 60 रन से जीते थे. कमाल की पारी खेली थी विल यंग ने उस इनिंग में. And then against Bangladesh, they won by 5 wickets. New Zealand, India, they had to travel to Dubai from Pakistan and different surface. And obviously, India outplayed the New Zealand side. But today, New Zealand from Dubai will be going back to Lahore, different sort of surface. They'll have
South
to
Africa also gone back to Dubai. They were just stayed briefly.
For a few hours, excursion trip.
शॉपिंग भी तो करनी थी.
हाँ, shopping, duty free का चक्कर लगाना जरूरी
देखिए
था.
इंग्लैंड का कह सकते हैं they came to visit some good golf courses of Dubai.
Yes, they did. They did. They did.
They were in a rush, England team.
No, they were in a real rush. They were in a rush, real rush. उस दिन मैच चालू था, and I was just going to do the toss.
Yeah.
कहाँ से? There was some English bloke only. He said, "Oh, the wind speeds today are phenomenal." बोला क्या हो गया? He said 50 kilometers per hour wind speed. बोला then this is perfect for flights going to the west. सारा tailwind है, बहुत जल्दी पहुंच जाएगा.
Chani, toss से याद आया मुझे. You changed the broadcasting law or rule, and people are loving it. What was the idea behind it? When you go for a toss, you are kind of energetic, loud, and that's the way it should be.
Very
So ये कब change हुआ था? When did you realize?
I realized that during IPL. When
Okay.
even you were part of it. You were coaching one of the teams.
Yeah.
Where one of the venues I went, I think it was either Jaipur or Chennai.
Yeah.
बोला अभी toss आ रहा है. It's local ground. It's local flavor. It's Chennai Super Kings. So I said, wanna come Chennai? वो पूरा crowd उड़ गया. You know. I said, this is good. So every city I went, I picked up one line from someone in the crowd.
Yeah.
बोला एक line बताया यार.
Sure.
You know. And then whether it was in
जैसे सरफराज से
whether
पूछी-
in huh?
जैसे सरफराज से पूछी थी एक लाइन.
पंजाब
वो तो एक्चुअली बाहर आ जाएगा.
अच्छा.
You know, इसलिए हिंदी में बात करना मुझे बहुत डर लगता है क्योंकि वो पहले आ लेकिन so and every city and each city you see lot of dialects
exactly.
right around the country. Punjabi, Bengali, in Mumbai Marathi, Gujarati, and in Vizag in Telugu.
Yeah.
So it
Excellent.
became a big this thing. So I said, why not even in international fixtures?
Yeah.
And it's good.
It gives energy.
Yeah.
You know, it kind of not wakes you
Sets
up,
the
but
tone actually.
sets the tone
for
of
the
the
whole
day.
broadcast.
See, because
basically.
I also realize when there are big matches happening, you are going, if any one of us are walking, the first question people will ask, क्या लगता है? Toss जीत के, what do you think they'll do?
Yeah.
What do you think they'll do? So the interest is there as to क्या होने वाला है. And a lot of them come very early to the ground.
Yeah.
So that picks them up.
Picks them up.
You gonna do Arabic in the finals?
Yes.
Arabic? Local, Dubai?
एक line, yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Baby, welcome to Dubai.
Yeah,
Baby, come
he's
to the
got it now.
Yeah,
उस दिन मैच
Something.
था इंग्लैंड का जो अभी इंग्लैंड हार के वापस गए हैं जो शायद
But
कह रहा
now,
था.
you know, it's done.
It's done.
It's Waqar Yunus
Waqar
who's
Yunus.
given you the idea.
Committed. All right. Okay. So we're going to have a toss here on the show as well momentarily, but we'll be.
So I was telling कि वो इंग्लैंड शायद कहते हैं एनर्जी आनी चाहिए गेम शुरू होने से पहले. So अभी इंग्लैंड का मैच था जो लास्ट इनको बहुत जल्दी थी जाने की. तो मैच के एक तो मैच था डेड, एक तो डेड रबर मैच था. इंग्लैंड ने 200 रन से जीतना था या 14 ओवरों में चेस करना था और इंग्लैंड को और जल्दी थी. अभी मेरे दोस्त हैं वो को कमेंटेटर हमारे हैं, बड़े जबरदस्त कमेंटेटर हैं, वो भी सोए हुए थे. अब वो इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं, जरा मुझे फॉलो करना थोड़ा सा. अब डेड मैच है, अब वो इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं. अब ये माइक है. So what do you think? I mean, मुझे भी नींद आ गई वहां जाके. मैं क्या कोई प्रोड्यूसर कान में कहते उसको भाई जाग जा थोड़ा सा.
कोई सीधा खड़ा हो जा, तू एक हाथ जेब में.
देखो आपको फील तो समझ आ ही रही होगी. उनका भी वही हाल है जो अपना हाल है. यू नो, जब अपनी टीम हारती है तो प्लेयरों का वो हाल होता है. तो उनकी टीम का तो आपसे भी बुरा हाल है. वो तो आती है टूर्नामेंट में ये सोच के कि जीत के जाएगी और फिर वो हाल होता है.
नहीं तो आप क्या कह रहे हैं? हम ये नहीं सोच के आते कि हम भी जीतेंगे टूर्नामेंट. हम भी यही सोच के आते हैं.
What he's trying to say is people who are watching say, yaar, ye kya? Oh, I need a stiff one.
All right, folks. With that, Kane Williamson, what a player he has been for New Zealand. His service for New Zealand is just outstanding. Jatupaji, this man, is he the key for New Zealand?
बिल्कुल ये की है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि जैसे आपने वो क्लासन का पूछा था ना, ये एक्चुअली होल्ड करता है इनिंग्स को. और ये चलाता रहता है और ये हमेशा लंबा लंबा खेलता चला जाता है। इस टूर्नामेंट के पहले 2 मैच में ये जल्दी आउट हो गए तो ऐसा लगा कि यार क्या है क्या नहीं, बट फिर फाइनली धीरे धीरे पकड़ लिए गेम और अब ये बेहतर विकेट पे पहुंच गए हैं। स्ट्राइक रेट उसका इतना जोर नहीं मारता, लेकिन वो जो एवरेज है ना उसके बगल में, वो बड़े काम की चीज है। और अगर ये खेलता है फिर वो फिलिप्स का बल्ब ना बहुत तेज बढ़ जाएगा, फिर इसके इर्द गिर्द जो खिलाड़ी है ना वो एक अलग पेस से खेल पाते हैं। ये की है, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है इनके।
लेकिन जाट फ्लैट पिच पे थोड़ा तेज खेलना होगा इसको।
नहीं बट अपने आप खेल जाएगा ना, क्योंकि बॉलर ही दे देगा 6 तो देने को वो तैयार है
ना। तो वो रन जो चाहिए उस पिच पे, लाहौर की पिच पे वो नहीं आएंगे, वरना अगर इस पेस पे खेला तो जो
नहीं। अगर यार मैं मानता हूं कि अगर ये खेल गया और ये समझो 100 के करीब प्लस माइनस स्कोर करता है, फिर आप वो 350 देख सकते हो ना, क्योंकि वो जो खेलते हैं उस स्पीड से जो खेलते हैं उनसे आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते कि 120 130। एक ये और एक वो रचिन, वो भी एक ऐसा प्लेयर है जो लंबी पारियां खेलता है। थोड़े मैचेस ही हुए, आप देखो जब वो एक क्या होता है कि बंदा बहुत अच्छे 40-50 बनाता है। इन दोनों की खासियत ये है कि जब ये बनाते हैं तो लंबे स्कोर्स करते हैं, फिर वो अलाउ करता है जो आप कह रहे हैं ना कि भाई इस पेस पे खेलना है, क्योंकि इस विकेट पे सबका ही बल्ला चलता है। मेरे को तो नहीं याद आ रहा कि पाकिस्तान ये लाहौर में जो ये पूरी टूर्नामेंट में आप उठा के देखें कि 80 की स्ट्राइक रेट पे कोई भी प्लेयर खेला हो, क्योंकि विकेट ही ऐसी है, आउटफील्ड भी ऐसी है।
Yeah, Kane Williamson, from his experience and everything, you named Rachin Ravindra. कि उनकी भी innings बड़ी होती है. You got a feature on Rachin. Let's take a look at this young man. Rachin Ravindra, Ravi, your take on this young man? He's brilliant.
He's outstanding.
Yeah.
Not just brilliant. I think he's one of the stars for the next decade because he's already proven.
Yeah.
And just the way he plays pace, the way he plays spin. What was very impressive was when he just toured India on turning tracks, the way he batted. Just his footwork. He was very assured against spin and quality spin.
Right.
Jadeja, Ashwin, Washington, Sundar all playing. And he was either forward or back using the depth of the crease, time against the fast bowlers. He has wide range of shots. And, he's got a good head on his shoulders. For someone so young, even the way he spoke just now, he's very eloquent. And I think he's got a massive future.
Chelsea, how important is for youngsters to learn to use their feet against spin bowling in any format?
Very important because that will help them in the one-day game as well.
Okay.
It's the basics.
Yeah.
You got now, especially when you say someone's really slow in the air.
Yeah.
You're not going to stay in the crease and reach out to him. You've got to be able to go down the track and take the ball on the bounce. And it comes with experience, but for someone to have learnt it at such a young age, and then the ability to cut, pull, and in New Zealand, those conditions, seaming ball, so you will get used to it. So the makings of a good all-round player.
All right, with that, we're going to take another break here on the DP World Dressing Room. When we come back, we're getting closer to the action. Keep watching 10 Sports. Live images from Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. Makram there, who has passed the fitness test and is available for today's game for South Africa. Will he be there in the playing 11 or not? We will find out. And welcome back to the DP World Dressing Room. We've got Mr. Ravi Shastri with us, and we're talking about the semi-final and a lot of other memories here. But before that, let's listen into this interview. We've got Rabada with us. They have Rabada over there. Wasim, what's going on with fast bowlers these days? There seems to be too much reliance on slow balls.
मेरा question मेरे से पूछ लिया. Good one.
Good one, yeah?
Good one.
I knew it.
We were discussing this in the break, all of us, ke Jaddu was saying ke bowlers के पास 140, 145 is bowling in, and suddenly, randomly, एक slow ball आ जाता है. There are a couple of slow balls. I think आजकल के bowlers ये सोचते हैं, और that's where the mindset is कि they got to bowl a slow ball. Doesn't matter what situation is. But Waqar said कि because of the extra fielder in, maybe बचने जाते हैं.
Yeah.
But if you got pace ज़्यादा बचाएगी आपको बजाय के slow ball, especially in one-day cricket. T20, I'm all for variation.
Yeah, पहली बात तो हमें एहतियात करना चाहिए जब हम यहाँ बैठे हों उस ब्रेक के अंदर क्या बात कर रहे हैं ये बंदा जब बैठा हो ना तो you have to be very
बंदा बड़ा गालता है.
हाँ ठीक है ना. रबाडा का ये है कि रबाडा is genuine pace. I mean over 300 wickets in 70 test matches and one day में उतनी शायद perform उतना अच्छा नहीं किया लेकिन he's very good. I mean और पिछले मैच में देखा कि he varies his pace. Slower one के अलावा भी इसकी जो खूबसूरती ये है कि he can break his pace from 145, 147 to 132. Not के जी 110, but 132, 135. So he just controls the ball really, really well. He hardly gives you anything to free your arms. क्योंकि एक एंगल वो क्रिएट जो करते हैं ना वहाँ से पढ़ के थोड़ा सा नए बॉल पे डेंजरस है. He's very very dangerous. He's a wicket taker early on, so be aware of him early on.
All right. Guys, I want to ask you this. What's the story about Vaz, Shaz, Vaz? Agha Bata तो मैंने सुना था. ये क्या कहानी है? वो
ये हमसे पहले की बात है.
ये Agha Bata से भी पहले की
Yes,
बात है.
before it's
पुरानी बात है.
2006, 2007 it started. Shaz
So how
Vaz.
did that chemistry come about?
I mean, I started broadcasting with the Shaz was experienced, very experienced by then. It was him, Harsha, Alan,
Yeah.
Sunny Bhai, and the great man Jeffrey Boycott, who was never happy, but great guy off the field. और वहाँ से फिर I think Hugh
Idea
Bevan,
किसका था? Idea
yeah,
किसका?
Hugh था कि वो था.
Yeah, it was Hugh, and then there
Before
was
Hugh क्या नाम था उनका? Joy was there.
Joy was there. There was
Ray Hume.
Ray Hume was
Ray
there.
Hume.
So Ray said, why don't we, try this show in the middle at tea time, just to break the pattern. It's cricket's a serious game, 6 hours, break it up. तो बोला idea क्या है? तो बोलता है we'll do Shaz and Vaz. बोला very good idea. And what do we talk about? बोला no, we'll get a guest inside. I said who will be the guest? So they said no, we'll pick up a guest. So I asked them male or female.
We'll pick up.
No, we'll pick up. Yeah, so I said, if it's picking up, then pick up a female. You're far better off, picking up.
And
Because
there were instructions to the people who were picking up the girls, by the way.
Yeah, and they would
they were
bring
crazy.
them. See, because at that time, women's cricket also needed promotion.
Sure.
So we thought it's very important. क्योंकि जब हम भी cricket खेलते थे ना, if there were only बंदे watching the game, ना मजा नहीं आता. मैं साफ बता रहा हूँ यार, मजा नहीं आता. लेकिन when you saw, some pretty faces, then you felt like playing sport. You felt like you had to impress, not just on the field with your performances, but impress people who are watching. And they add color. Let's face it, they add color. So when we would get people in the show, we found they loved the game. The knowledge was unbelievable. And they came from different, faculties of life.
Yeah.
Right.
Some were models, some were chefs, some were,
Amazing. Yep.
studying in university.
You would know, Shaz. You would know.
Yeah, because I was asking the questions, and at times, you would, while speaking to them also, you would just touch them like this, that, and, it was great banter.
Yeah.
And it went through the roof. It went into the top 10 shows in no time. And because it was different. It was light-hearted, it was different, little bit of cricket, little bit of fun, the female element in there. And only thing was, जब show खत्म हो गया ना, you picked up your phone ना, 50 messages, all बंदेज, सब jealous, और जो गलियां दे रहे हैं इधर, बस पूछो ही नहीं, jealous guys. Yeah, I said, यार, तो बात.
Even co-commentators were jealous. Our co-commentators were
They were
jealous.
listening from the outer. Alex
Yeah.
Wilkins was, all the time listening.
सबसे
He's still always listening all the time.
सबसे ज्यादा जो इन्होंने कलर डाला था ना वो मेरी लाइफ में डाला था शहज एंड बैज ने. मैं सिडनी में था उन दिनों और मुझे फोन आता है कि जी शहज बैज का शो है तो आपने आना है. तो आप कर क्या रहे हैं? तो मैं उस टाइम क्या कर रहा था? लोन मोइंग. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस रिमेंबर. मैं लोन मोइंग में नया ऑस्ट्रेलिया शिफ्ट हुआ था तो मैंने बड़ा शौक चढ़िया सी यार मैं जाकर मशीनें खरीद के लाया, वो कटर खरीद के लाया, मैं गर्मी सख्त गर्मी धड़ाधड़ लगाऊं तो मेरा फोन बजता है, मैंने उठाता हूँ. And he asked me, first question was, की कर रहे हैं? मैं कहा lawn mowing. And they took a mickey out of me in that shit.
ये तब से चल रहा है.
ये तब से चल रहा है.
तब से मैं उदू ही रजिया हूँ.
शहज वैज बनता है फिर से.
Yeah, फिर से बनता है.
बिल्कुल बनता है.
वैसा बनता है.
बिल्कुल. Test cricket में, tea
Soon
time
coming,
में.
soon coming.
Yeah. It is important.
But depends where though, whether teams are touring.
Yeah.
It's got to be Australia, New Zealand, England, maybe India.
But we can broaden it. evolve.
Broaden it, yeah.
Yeah.
Pakistan, eventually.
Can do it from anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ये शाहजहां बहस करे तू उधर में आपने कहा है.
मैं यही सोच रहा
मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਚ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੈਠਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਸੀ.
ਤੁਸੀਂ गलत जगह
नहीं,
बह गए हो.
मैं ये देख रहा हूँ ये इधर हमारे ही शो में तकरीबकारी हो रही है भाईजान. बीच में यहीं से जो है वो कारनामा हो रहा है कि हमारे खिलाफ साजिशें चल रही हैं यहाँ पे. नहीं, there will be no shares and wares. No, I will not allow it. Just kidding. It's just
ये
fantastic.
आपके हाथ आने वाले नहीं है.
नहीं आने वाले नहीं है. Absolutely not. With that, I'm going to take a break here so that I can sort this out once and for all. Live images out of Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. There's Santner, all set to weave his magic against South Africa today. We'll see how this goes down. It is semi-final number 2. Welcome back to the DP World Dressing Room. I'm Fakhri Anam. You're watching 10 Sports, our continued coverage of the ICC Champions Trophy. We've got Mr. Ravi Shastri with us in the dressing room today. अच्छा वो शहज़ वैस की हम लोग बात तो कर रहे थे.
जी.
You know, Ravi, ये वसीम का ना favorite part जो है ना, favorite part, वो है pitch report.
इसीलिए ये नहीं करता, सेंसिबल है.
He doesn't. He loves pitch
Because
report.
I don't know how to read pitch.
You do, but you don't risk it.
You don't risk it. Yeah, we've had some very accurate pitch reports, by the way. Yes,
Accurate.
Yeah, very accurate.
टर्न भी होगा, बाउंस भी होगा, रन भी बनेंगे और मुश्किल भी होगी बैट्समैन.
The belter.
And the belter.
And the belter. We couldn't figure out what the belter was because एक उन्होंने कहा जी belter है बड़ा हुआ है. किसी ने ना belt उतारी ना रोल की कुछ नहीं हुआ उस वाले के अंदर. Tailor made for runs. That's what we've heard.
No, it's
today.
a very good pitch report coming from one of the best in the world I've ever seen, Dale Steyn.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong. He said, no full, back of a length, and then into the pitch. तो बचत है आपकी as a bowler.
Yeah.
And that's a very.
I mean, that said it all because it clearly states that it's a good batting surface.
Yeah, we take a closer look at this pitch. How there's that pitch, Ravi.
Yeah, it looks an excellent batting surface, and hence, like a fast bowler, he thought straight away as to what should be the lengths on the surface to try and get a batsman out as well and look to contain him as well.
But very windy conditions today in Lahore.
Yeah, a little windy, but it's good. I think 22 degrees is a perfect weather to play cricket, and a bit of wind can help the bowlers. Depend ground की किस side से आ रही है, किस side पे जा रही है. You can have the outswing अगर ऐसे जा रही है, उधर से outswing वाला कर लेगा, उधर से inswing वाला कर लेगा. These little things, I think nowadays
Captains
teams
take into account, teams take into account.
Yeah.
This is the final game in Pakistan in this ICC Champions Trophy, the final game in Lahore for this ICC Champions Trophy. So we hope that the people in Lahore would turn up in big numbers and show their support to this semi-final.
And I think
number 15.
also PCB has announced that Aftari will be there as well for the जिसके भी रोजे हैं.
जी.
Aftari वहीं मिलेगी उनको.
वहाँ पे इफ्तार मिलेगा. So that's fantastic. Good to have ICC Champions Trophy in Pakistan, and to have an ICC tournament after 29 years. So big achievement there on its own. And now, after looking at this pitch, let me bring you in, Nikhil. Do the spinners have any kind of say here, or do they do what Steyn just said? You make sure that you bowl in the right areas and just pray and hope for the best?
No, it's more than pray and hope for the best. Of course, going into a game, especially with Mitchell Santner, they would have drawn out against which batsman, what are my game plans. और अच्छी बात यह है कि मिचेल सैंटनर खास तौर से जो क्रीज की चौड़ाई का जो पहले बोल रहा था इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जो वेरिएशंस है, वेरिएशंस आपकी तभी असरदार होती हैं कि आप अपना टप्पा नहीं छोड़ते.
Right.
बिकॉज पेस में वेरी होगा, आर्म बॉल उनका अच्छा है, अपनी जगह नहीं छोड़ते. All the variations take a factor. Length पाजी, क्योंकि क्लासन है, वो एक ऐसा बैट्समैन है कि बैकफुट से भी छक्का मार देता है. उनके पाले में गेंद होगी तो स्वीप पे भी वो छक्का मार देगा. सो मार्जिन ऑफ एरर बहुत कम होता है. और ये इतनी अच्छी विकेट पे आप बतौर गेंदबाज बॉलिंग कर रहे हो, आपको पता है मार्जिन ऑफ एरर कम है. छक्का लगने के बाद भी बड़े दिल के साथ अगला बॉल उसी इंटेंसिटी, उसी सोच के साथ डालना है कि अगली बॉल पे मैंने आउट करना है. घबराना नहीं.
Right. Waqar, does Do play a role here in second innings?
हुआ है, पहले मैचेस में देखा है कि इवनिंग में बॉल बल्ले में बेहतर आता है.
Right.
तो पहली इनिंग में आपको बड़े रन्स करने होंगे, और जब आप नॉकआउट स्टेज पे आ जाते हैं तो रन्स ऑन द बोर्ड आई स्टिल फील के की होते हैं, चाहे ड्यू पड़े या ना पड़े. तो रन्स ऑन द बोर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट है. और जो सबसे अच्छी बात डेल स्टेन ने की है ना कि लंबे हैं ना फास्ट बॉलर्स, दोनों टीमों के पास लंबे टॉल फास्ट बॉलर. So you make use of the bounce rather than off the wicket.
Hit the deck hard. All right, with that we're going to take another break here on the DP World Dressing Room. When we come back, there's more on the other side, and especially Ravi Baji, we have a toss to do after this break.
Toss यहाँ पे?
Yes, आपने करवाना है एक toss. बड़ा important है, मैं बताऊंगा किस बात के ऊपर. We will be back right after these messages. All right, welcome back to the DP World Dressing Room. I'm Fakhri Anam. You're watching 10 Sports. We're getting closer to semi-final number 2, New Zealand versus South Africa. But you must be wondering, what are we doing here on the pitch right now?
Even we're also wondering.
Yes, that's the whole thing. We keep everybody guessing.
They've been wondering for a couple of weeks what we've been doing.
trust me, they know what you've been doing. We know exactly what you've been doing, Jaddu Baji. We've been keeping an eye on you. Ravi Baji, you've set the standard for tosses in international games, right? This is the new way of doing the toss, as Wasim was saying earlier as well, right? So मैंने सोचा कि एक toss जो है आज होना बड़ा जरूरी है. See, ever since this show came about, we've been hearing about this 1996 World Cup game, right? Where one side of the story is that Jadeja bhai says, no, it was just a couple of edges that got here and there. And Waqar says, no, there is another version of this story. There are two different versions of the story. The numbers and the result of the game are a different thing. But there was this rivalry over here. I want you to do the honors today. I am handing over this coin to you, sir.
You were there that day.
To decide that one will toss the coin, you have to conduct this toss. It is your toss, and then you must interview them and must get the whole thing out of them. Who's going to say what after that? I leave it to you, ladies and gentlemen. Ravi Shastri with the toss.
Now he's put us in an absolutely dark corner, right? In the green corner is Waqar Younis. For the Blues is Ajay Jadeja. Vicky, you will spin the coin and decide once and for all as to what happened there.
ये heads हैं और ये tails हैं.
ठीक है.
Okay?
Okay.
Go on. ये कुछ बोलते सही?
बोलना भी है.
Of course.
Heads I win, tails you lose.
Heads. Now, Vicky, he's won the toss, but
You interview
just
me.
talk me through what happened that day. Did he get lucky? Or did the ball slip out of your hand? That it went for a few runs? What exactly happened?
Actually, he got lucky on the first ball though. But after that, it was all him. I mean, the couple of shots he played over mid-off, one mid-wicket, beautiful sixes, and it was all downhill after that.
Jaddu, tell me what happened. Because you were brilliant that night. What happened?
Just got lucky, Ravi. It was just one of those days that, when you're blessed on that day. This man had got my, number since 1988. And being a good friend, he was nice to me. A nice few
Half volleys.
half volleys. He said, you got to make your place in your side, so I'll help you out.
Well, there you go. Once and for all, it's settled. But एक चीज याद रखना चाहिए, ये India-Pakistan match था. When Vicky went back to Lahore, landed in Lahore, the best of garlands and flowers came out to greet him.
That is just absolutely brilliant. We're all going to stay right here because we're getting closer to the semi-final number 2 and we're getting closer to the toss. But you know, that flavor that you bring in, that whole tone of voice that comes out when you're doing that toss, it really actually does, like Wasim, you pointed
like
out,
I said, it wakes
creates
everybody
this whole
up.
thing.
मैं डर गया. मेरे को इतना डर विकी से उस दिन नहीं था जितना रवि भैया की आवाज से.
नहीं, तुम दोनों इतने सीरियस हो गए थे, मैंने कहा पता नहीं क्या हो गया.
नहीं, क्योंकि ये जो कहानी है ना, ये कहानी आपने जैसे कहा ना, आप शो कर रहे हैं. ये कहानी मैं और विकी, क्योंकि ये इस कहानी का असली जो कहानी है किसी को पता ही नहीं है. सब मिथ में जी रहे हैं. सब कहते हैं आमिर सोहेल की लड़ाई हुई पहली लड़ाई हुई थी सईद अनवर और श्रीनाथ. तो ये अच्छा. So when we go on that world tour, Vicky and I are going on a world tour. And we will talk about it. India-Pakistan is not about rivalries. Of course it is the greatest game in the world. There's no bigger game. But it's about the greatest friendship also.
Let me ask you this, Ravi Baji. What has been the most interestingly different toss where you found the captains bewildered, not knowing what to do after they won the toss? कोई ऐसी एक तो memory होगी किसी toss में जहाँ पे आप खुद परेशान हो गए होंगे ये हो क्या रहा है toss के अंदर?
Normally वो होता नहीं है. But the one I enjoyed was that India-Pakistan game in New York. During the T20 World Cup. Kyunki it was in a different venue, first time in the United States, very close match. It went up, down, the pitch wasn't the greatest. So you couldn't say who was the winner. And you could see both the captains weren't sure, seeing that pitch as to kya hoga. Because what happened was if India thought they were a stronger side, man to man, the pitch balanced it out. But if Pakistan bowled well, they could beat India. Right. And for 80% of the game, it was Pakistan. And like it happens in an India-Pakistan game, last 20%, India came back, won the game. Very close contest. So That was a toss I enjoyed.
So now we've seen the pitch, the one that we have in Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore today. आज वसीम जो हमने देखी है the pitch. Win the toss and do what for a captain?
It depends. So far जो हमने ट्रेंड देखा है वो यही देखा है कि जो भी कप्तान टॉस जीता है वो कोशिश करता है चेस करे because of the due factor. Because जो भी टीम पहले बैटिंग करेगी, like Shaz also mentioned, all of us did, कि उनको कम से कम 330 से 340 करना पड़ेगा because इसी पिच पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने 350 भी चेस किया हुआ है.
Right.
So win the toss and of course try to bowl first and look for chase. But I believe हर एक किसी का different mindset है.
Yeah, for
Runs
you,
on the board, you guys think?
नहीं, अगर मेरे को देखो मैं ये क्यों छाता लेके आया? It's going to be raining sixes. तो आपको क्या लगाया? नहीं लेके
Maybe, but I was going to ask you that. What's with the umbrella? Now we know.
It's going to be raining sixes. ये यहाँ पे सब जो आता है वही छक्के मार रहे हैं.
नहीं वो क्यों लेके आया पता है? क्योंकि कॉन्वर्सेशन था विक्की और जड्डू का. वो बोल रहा है कि बैंगलोर में इट वाज रेनिंग सिक्सेस.
And he just walked out of the frame with that umbrella without any reason. Jaddu Paji, you have to be here. This is where you have to be. I don't know. You can bring that umbrella back with you.
ये तो गया था ट्रक लेने.
Truck, वो truck नहीं मिल सकता. DP World truck will always stay put there. Waqar, for you, you've also seen this pitch. Your thoughts on this toss now? Win the toss and do what? As Wasim said, put up a big total. You said runs matter on the board as well?
Yeah, I think in knockout stage, the runs on the board is always handy. I know due आएगी जो भी होगा, लेकिन जो pressure build होता है ना second inning में बैटिंग का, अगर आप अर्ली विकेट्स लूज कर रहे हो, आई थिंक यू शुड कैश इनटू दैट.
Ravi Paji, will the South Africa stigma play up on their mind today? It doesn't matter if they win the toss or not and they get what they want to do. Will it be inside their head? Because it's been there many times before.
It will be inside their head, and that's the precise reason why I might just want to bat first.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
if I was New Zealand. Because try and get that 320 on the board, 300 plus on the board. And then, not that South Africa can't chase it, but that doubt can creep in. You know, when they get close, if they're 5 down or 6 down,
Yeah.
you know, the run rate required is 5, 6.5 and over, then, you know, doubts can creep in.
Ravi bhai, on
Yeah.
that surface, getting 300 against South African bowling, it'll be one hell of an effort against Rabada, Marco Jansen, Lungi Ngidi. So it'll be one hell of an effort. Walder, the way he's been bowling. What do you think for New Zealand would be the key to go out there and get a big 100?
I think they've got enough. They've got all bases covered. Kane Williamson will be the key player.
Right, Janab, खबर आ गई है Gaddafi Stadium Lahore से. New Zealand have won the toss and elected to bat. As Ravi Paji, you had said that this is how they should do it. We've got the playing 11 coming up, and Nikhil, take us through. This is the first team, New Zealand.
सचिन रविंद्र, डेविन कॉनवे अभी भी बाहर है, 100 बनाया था. उनके साथ पारी की शुरुआत करेंगे विल यंग, केन विलियमसन. ये वो गेंद है जो पूरी बैटिंग ऑर्डर को जोड़ के रखेंगे. 4 नंबर पे डैरिल मिचेल. लेथम का शतक है चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में. ग्लेन फिलिप्स कमाल की फील्डिंग कर रहे हैं, विस्फोटक बल्लेबाज. साथ में कप्तान सेंटनर. हेनरी की 5 विकेटें, काइल जेमिसन और ओरोर. ये न्यूजीलैंड की टीम.
And for South Africa, Waqar, take us through South African team coming up next.
Yeah, only one change for them. कप्तान वापस आए हैं रोमा, और उसके पास रिकल्सन, a very fine play. वेंडरडूसन वो काम करेंगे जो विलियमसन की तरह के मिडल में जाके सॉलिडिटी देंगे. और उसके बाद आगे आपके जो बिग हिटर्स मार्क्रम, क्लासन, मिलर्स एंड मुल्डर. Mulder अभी इतना देखा नहीं है, but I've heard that he can really bat. Jensen can bat. So they've got a long batting lineup with the two faces and Maharaj as a spinner.
Yep, and there you have it. Both the teams are out. Jaddu Paji, New Zealand will be plotting a big total, 350. Should that be something that will put South Africa under a lot of pressure?
Yeah, they'll be happy if they get to 350 because it's a knockout game. You want to get there, but it's a long way.
Yeah.
You don't get there just because you have a great start. To get to 350, basically you need to play well throughout those 50 overs.
पिच रिपोर्ट में उन्होंने बताया नहीं कि यूज पिच है. Yeah, they didn't tell us.
Let's say that.
तो यार पिच रिपोर्ट पे अभी भी भरोसा कर रहे हो. तुमको कितनी बार वो दो जो जाते हैं वो बुजुर्गों की तरह है. लड़का देखने जाते हैं ना, तो वो देख के आ जाते हैं ये लड़का ऐसा है. आखिर में तो वो लड़का जब शादी करके घर आएगा तब पता चलेगा.
नए वर्जन्स निकाल रहे हैं वैसे तो पिच के.
Pitch report पे नए वर्जन आ रहे हैं.
लेकिन पहला वाला
I have a quick message for
मरवाएगा तो.
South African team.
Yeah.
I mean, I would like them to win just for the sake of South Africa, because they have qualified 10 times in the semi-finals. They lost 8 times and एक 19 number tie हुआ था.
Yeah.
The message is we can't choose when to be great, but we can only hope to be great when it counts. And today is the day for South Africa.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay, that's nice. That's very nice. With that, we're going to take a break here on the DP World Dressing Room. When we come back, it is time for the expert predictions, and we get closer to the action. Stay with us. All right, welcome back to the DP World Dressing Room, and this is how the dressing room expert predictions stand right now. Nikhil Chopra in the lead with 9 points, and Ajay Jadeja, Pujara number 2 at 8. Wasim with 6, and Waqar Yunus, who's got the pitches absolutely right, but the predictions absolutely mostly wrong, is right at the bottom of that. But even though we tried to cheat a little bit yesterday,
No, you
get
didn't.
some points.
No, you didn't.
I did. I wanted to give you 2 points for getting it right, and you still didn't get it right. I can't do anything more than that, Vicky. Seriously.
All right.
फिर try करनी छोड़ दो. It's not working.
It's not working. It's not
When
working.
it's inevitable.
Yes. Ravi Baji, you know that truck that we have from DP World, we've got a special prize inside that container for the guy who wins this. Right now, it looks like Nikhil
From the
Chopra
bottom.
is going to be. And we're going to open it on the final. You know, on the final, we'll unveil what is inside of it. Wasim thinks it's going to be a gift hamper with biscuits and chocolates in it.
Shampoos and
so
dates.
forth. And dates,
So, Ravi bhai,
etc.
we don't know what it is.
Yeah.
I said कि अब देखो, I'm on the 18th. I can't lose on the 18th fairway.
Yeah.
My only suggestion is जो भी होगा सब में it should get distributed dressing room.
अगर तो वो
उसके अंदर गोल सेट होगा, अभी कैसा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगा?
ये मैं कहने लगा था अगर-
साइज देखो, साइज देखो.
You are the first man who has really put his mind to it and do the sizing of it.
Yeah.
You cannot divide a putter. If you want to, I'll give you one. You can divide it between the 4 of you.
मैं
That's not-
बता रहा हूँ आपको गोल्फ का बैग निकाल रहे हैं तो 4 सेट आ सकते हैं इसके अंदर.
One for me.
Okay.
पांच हो सकते.
All right, folks. With that, time for expert predictions. Nikhil, for you today,
South Africa.
South Africa with Pakar.
New Zealand.
Okay, New Zealand,
South Africa for me.
South Africa.
I'm going with Vicky. कभी ना कभी तो सही होगा.
New Zealand. All right. And you want to also participate?
Yeah,
Jimmy? Come on, Shah.
I'll go New Zealand. because
New Zealand. All right. So we've got.
देखो ऐसे ही थे तो जीत गए. 3-2 है.
Yeah. Either
Table
already.
says New Zealand.
शाम
डेमोक्रेसी चल रही है यहाँ पे हमारी.
अगर शाम को हारेंगे भी ना तो दुख नहीं होगा ना.
नहीं 3 बंदे बैठेंगे.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Shaz, just before we go off, Ravi Paji, what is one of your best memories of playing cricket with these two gentlemen? I know you told us about the Nariyal and the toes and the in-between, but I wanted to ask you, what was your best memories when you played in this era?
Best memories. Best on the cricket field. आप ठीक हो? जब एक नारियल पे लगता है, किधर लगता है और फिर बचाना पड़ता है बीच में. गोटी भी होता है ना, गोटी भी बचाना पड़ता है और आप बोलते हैं most enjoyable moment.
There was no.
It gave you great job satisfaction if you did well,
Yeah.
performed and scored runs.
Sir, thank you so much for honoring us
Shazzy.
and for sharing this space with us. It's been
Thank
an
you.
absolute
Thank you very
pleasure for joining us. Gentlemen, thank you very
Thank you so
much.
much. Pleasure.
It's semi-final number 2, and we will see you on the other side of the game. Stay with us. This is 10 Sports.